Hey guys, I'm Johnny Scoville, and this is Chase the Heat. It's an unusual snack time. It's late night snack time with the Scoville Squad. I've been doing something a little unusual. First of all, look at this. From Seriously Hot Peppers, Omega Pepper. Now, the Omega Pepper is a wickedly hot pepper. No question, one of the hotter peppers I've had. Now, the Omega is a cross between a just kind of an extraordinarily hot Reaper he had crossed with a red brain strain. But what I'm going to do, isn't it kind of weird to get eggs like this? I'm not a fan of that. Can I be honest with you? This is the first time I've ever purchased eggs that were already hard boiled and in like this, already sealed. I do it myself. It's kind of weird, isn't it? Oops. Sorry about that. Anyhow, I'm going to, I thought I needed my knife for this, and I don't. Well, actually, I will cut the egg, but not to get in there. All right, so it's a farm fresh hard-boiled egg. Man, there we go. All right, so I've already sampled this powder, but I haven't sampled it for you guys. So there is an egg. Doesn't smell like anything, actually. I want to cut this egg in half with my Viking hand-forged neck knife. Wow. Hang on one second. Oh no, he's tipped off camera. What's he doing? Okay. You know what's really interesting? How often do you ever do hard-boiled eggs where they come out that perfectly? No green, I mean, it's just, wow. Came out of a package. All right. Remember, it's an extraordinarily hot Reaper he came across, crossed with a red brain strain. So, all right, we're going to sample this powder on my dessert. I just made a grilled cheese for dinner with, I think they're California Reapers. Not Carolina Reapers, but California Reapers, sliced up in the middle. It's great. But anyway, there is the Omega powder on my hard-boiled egg, courtesy of Seriously Hot Peppers and my friend Tommy Broom. Tommy's a really good dude. It's his birthday coming up. I wanted to get down there and come see him. Not sure it's going to happen this time. I'm going to come down there soon. He's my bro. Here we go. I'm Johnny Scoville. This is JC. Maybe just a little bit more. Here's the thing that I've come to learn about Mr. Tom Broom from Seriously Hot Peppers. First of all, what a great name, right? Not Tom Broom, but Seriously Hot Peppers. What a great name. Brilliant. But I reviewed his powders, his tinctures, his peppers, and you want to know something? He chose the name wisely. Everything is seriously hot with this guy. Here we go. I'll tell you about the heat and the flavor in just a minute. I do that a lot at the powder on eggs, the ones I make, but it's so neat because a lot of times you put salt on eggs. Usually when I'm using hot powder, I kind of don't do the salt. great way to have hard-boiled eggs. The flavor. You know what's interesting? Floral, that floral, flowery kind of floral flavor in pods to me has been difficult. This is season 4. I just started to embrace it. And I really advanced a lot this year. It used to be brutal on me. Now I'm embracing it. Lower levels of floral with sweet, I enjoy a lot. So floral in pods is has been trouble for me in the past, but it doesn't translate the same in powders or in sauce for that matter. So this is very floral, but it's wonderful. It's not like a pod floral. It's great pepper heat. It's floral. It's just really great flavor. And hot, forget about it. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. That doesn't happen to me too often. All right, now my scale doesn't really matter. Here's the deal. If you got some of this Omega powder, as far as powders go, it's gonna be right up there, you know. It'll be right up there with as hot as just about anything you've had. It's really, really a hot powder. But it's delicious. I'm gonna sneeze. It really doesn't happen often. It's wanting to come out. It's just kind of hanging there. I don't know. I'm gonna end this video, see if the sneeze comes out. I'm gonna eat that last egg with some more powder. Guys, I appreciate you watching. Oh man. If you haven't tried any products from Tommy Broom, I told you it was coming. Wow. There. I think it's out of my system. All right. If you haven't tried any products from Tommy Broom and from Seriously Hot Peppers, I urge you to. His pods are great. I don't know if he has any pods right now, but his powders are great. His tinctures are just top shelf. Really great. He has some vintage aged tinctures that are just really spectacular. So go to the description box, click the link for Seriously Hot Peppers. If you're into hot stuff, he's the guy you need to know. Thank you for watching and hanging out. Right there's our pepper. Click that pepper when you do. You're part of our family. If you don't want to miss a video, click the bell for notification and you will miss nothing. League of Fire right there. The last day of the month, a group Scoville Squad League of Fire attempt. We're going to be doing it on Zoom. So if you want to be a part of that, it'd be a good. If you don't have your tube, it'd be a good time to do that. Go to johnnyscoville.com and get your tube because we're going to do it on the last day of the month. So we got some time, but that time's going to move away quickly. All right. Appreciate you guys so much for hitting. I love you guys. Right there's more videos. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Johnny Scoville. This was Chase the